Hey there, Tamir from FibonacciTraders.com here. Here's the camera. Now you see me, now you hear me. How is everybody doing? Good evening, good afternoon, good night. It's 12:01 a.m. China time. It's 12:01 p.m. Eastern time, and it's 7 p.m. Israel time. How is everybody doing? Let me know that you see me. Let me know that you hear me. How is everybody doing? Let's adjust here the mic. Everything here is still under construction as I just moved. Let's now check it now. All live. Everything is live. Just 1 second. Bear with me. Bear with me. Bear with me. Do you see? No, you don't see. Now you see? Now we can see. Now we can see. Turn this light on, and now we are live. Hey there, Tamir from Fibonacci here. Once again, thank you very much for joining this live. I do appreciate each and every one of you taking the time off your busy schedule and joining me on these lives. Midday market recap, June 18th. Tomorrow market is closed, so by natural things we don't have something special going on in the market. This is the SPY 65 minutes. As you can see, just sideways move in the past 5 candles, with the 546 is the support, 548 is the resistance, long continuation above the 551, and 554 will be next. This is how it looks on the 15 minutes. What do we have here? Nothing much. We can take this channel now. You can see that the SPY is inside short-term downtrend channel, trying to break up and above. Now we can take the Fibonacci, swing low, swing high. The 547 is the support, 548 is the resistance. Let's check the QQQ, 65 minutes, some kind of a consolidation. As you can see, uptrend. Now the 484 is the support. Let's see continuation towards the 486, breaking down and under, and we will meet the lower border of this green uptrend channel, and we will meet the 482. This is how it looks. Let's check. We have Nvidia on the 15 minutes. This is how it looks. Nvidia on the 15 minutes. We took long over here, then we closed it, and we just took long few minutes ago once again on this breakout. Now the 134 is the support, 134.80 is the resistance, long continuation, and we will take one, and we will see 136 and 137.33. What else do we have? Apple on the 15 minutes time frame. This is how it looks. Let's check the 65 minutes. Look at this double top scenario on Apple on the 65 minutes. Always zoom in, zoom out to get a better point of your price action. Now what do you need? You take Fibonacci, swing low, swing high. Now the 213.20 is the support, below it to this neckline at the 211, breaking below, and we are going back to the 206 area. SMCI in the 15 minutes, we took some long over here. Now we are waiting, no more trades for now until back from lunch. It's lunchtime. I'm waiting at least another half hour. I want to see continuation. Overall, this is how SMCI looks on this 15 minutes. This is how it looks on the 65 minutes. Why we wait? Because we have an inside candle for now forming on the 65 minutes. And as long as we are in inside candle, we do nothing. Just nothing. What else do we have? AMD. AMD still going to the downside. We took some short. I want this gap to get filled and a touch at the 151. We are still short. We do have also this trend line over here bouncing. Let's see. Our stop is at the 155.80. This is our stop for AMD's short. What else interesting we have? We took, where's Shopify? I had Shopify over here. Netflix, we are long on Netflix for swing trading. This is how Netflix looks on the 15 minutes. This is how it looks on the 65 minutes. Super bullish. Netflix, all across the Netflix is super bullish, hanging above, and just as you can see, hanging on this trend line. The resistance for higher highs, as long as Netflix is stuck to the upper trend line, or basically inside this red channel on the 65 minutes, Netflix goes up. So who is with me? Ruby G, Fadi, Itzik, Barak, Yair, Dani, Aliza, and who else is with me? Thank you very much for joining. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. What else do we have here? Tesla for Yair wants Tesla. Tesla continues to do just nothing. One day up, one day down, holding above the 181 area, 182. Consolidation. I'm waiting for a break above the 191. Carvana. Let's check Carvana. We have some kind of a double bottom over here, as we can see. We need to break above the 114.70, 115 even, and then we will go towards the 119 and 125. AI, let's check AI. Let's wait for the FTI. Here's the FTI. We can also add lines. And as you can see, trend lines, everything, one click away. The FTI gives you everything. We are inside an uptrend channel, but we are below the yellow zone. This is why we are bearish. Sell signal on the daily. Doesn't mean we need to go short on AI. It just means that this is not the time to go long, or if you're already long, you need a better risk management, a better and tighter risk management. Risk management, I mean stop loss. What else? Yura. Hi Yuval, hi Benny, thank you very much for joining. Yura still inside downtrend channel. As you can see, in the past 6-7 trading days, the 30-40 area, very tough resistance, the lower border of the yellow zone. We are bearish on the daily, bearish on the weekly. One candle does not change the overall sentiment. Let's go back. Let's check AMD. AMD trying to bounce now. Let's check AMD on the 15 minutes. 155 is our stop loss. Let's adjust it. 155.03. Let's take it 155.10. This is our stop loss. Or we can just put it at the red label as the FTI gives us. Nvidia now, after this doji, pullback towards back to the 133.92 and back to the 133.40 area will be very, very healthy. So for now, we are out of this long. No need to wait. We can see that this long for now is finished. This is day trading. We take the money. We say thank you. We run away. AMD. What else do we have? Shopify, we are still short. Netflix, REGN. This is our long positions. We have, what do we have? Netflix, REGN. REGN long. Now with this doji at the 10.52. Our stop loss is the 10.29. Let's adjust it. 10.29. We have DE. Everybody knows Deere & Company. We took long yesterday. Now continuation breaking up and above this downtrend channel. Now let's see continuation. Next is the 388 and 395. Our stop loss now is over at the 375. We can adjust it. 375.70. AMAT. Applied Materials, long until proven otherwise. Bullish on all time frames. 239 now is the support. Let's adjust the stop loss. And next we will see 257. So this is my swing longs. I know that some of the Fibonacci traders also take these longs, some of them. So Yuval, hi, Aliza, can you please look at PSTG? Let's check PSTG. What does it say? PSTG, nice move today after a few days of consolidation inside an uptrend channel, bullish on all time frames. The 67, 77 is the support. Next, we will see 73 and 77 to the upside. Like, subscribe, ladies and gentlemen. Let me see those likes. Let me see those subscribes. I post 2 videos every day, 2 lives every day. The only thing that I want in return is your like and your subscribes. That's it. NEP with a crying face. Next era energy. Downtrend, bearish on all time frames. If you are long on this one, my condolences, my friend. If I were you, I would close this long time ago, but this is only my opinion. Let's check it over here. Like this. Below this one, you will see 25. MTCH. Match group. Downtrend until proven otherwise. Look at the FTI. I drew the lines, the yellow lines. Look at the FTI. Much more accurate, right? Now, bearish on all time frames. Broke below the yellow zone. The 30-30 is the support. Below it, 29.60. What else? EPI. Once again, EPI. EPI. From Germany, you want it, no? Where is it? EPI what? I forgot. EPI, etc. This one continues to the upside. Very nice. Uptrend. Long continuation, and you will see 49 and 50.85 bullish on all time frames. 47 now is the support. AFRM. AFRM last week broke back inside. Now this gap is finished and we are still inside this downtrend channel. Bearish on all time frames. No longer an AFRM. FI. Of course, everything that you see in here is for educational purposes only. Nothing here that I say is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. FI, Pfizer. Let's take the Fibonacci, the FTI a little bit higher. Let's check it. As you can see, swing high, swing low. Below the yellow zone, the 151. This is why we are bearish on the daily, bullish on the weekly. Mixed signals. We have a double bottom scenario, nice double bottom, but we still need at least 2 days closing above the 151, and then we can start taking long position on this name, ADESK, Autodesk from my top stocks. Now, as you can see, all this area, the 230, 234 is the support. We have a doji, careful. Tomorrow, no trading. So make sure you know it. Make sure that you handle your risk management, because no one knows how the market will open Thursday. Anything can happen. Make sure you can sleep well with the knowledge that anything and the notion that anything can happen. Anything, the market can open 2% to the upside, the market can open 3, 4, 5% to the downside. Always take care of the downside. Now, ADESK, swing high, swing low, all the way to the upper border of the yellows on the 247. Look at this. Very tough, important support. Now resistance, the 237 is the support. Below it, 227, closing this gap. This is ADESK. Snow, still below zero. Snow, freezing for the longs. No long for now on snow. Let's take Fibonacci. Swing high, swing low. 134 is the resistance. 124 is the support, breaking below. And we will see 112.80. Bearish on all time frames on snow. ENPH. ENPH. What's going on with ENPH? I don't really like this price section, and as you can see, it had a nice uptrend, now breaking below the yellow zone, bearish on the daily, bullish on the weekly, which means mixed signals. Below the 118, you will see 110 to the downside. SPY CrowdStrike. Let's check CrowdStrike. CrowdStrike holding above the 375 area, consolidation after this gap up, nothing much, long continuation above 394 towards 419, 375 is the support, below it 360 to the downside. SPY-U. Bank of Montreal, max S&P 4x leverage. Why? Okay, SPY-U, just follow SPY and then trade this one. 41.64 is the support, long continuation, and you will see 40C, 45 and 48 to the upside. Eli PSTG, we talked about. Aliza, we talked about PSTG. We talked about, or didn't we? We didn't talk about. Basically the system. Let's talk about it again. 67.60 is the support. Long continuation, and you will see 73.60 and 77.80. Overall uptrend until proven otherwise. You have this. Look at this. These are trend lines. Gives you everything, right? Fibonacci trend lines. We are now inside the middle uptrend channel. As long as you are inside this uptrend channel, you're good to go. Eli Lilly, what's going on? Grinding up. Let's see, can we get 1,000? This is my prediction. 1,000 Eli Lilly. When? No one knows. But this is my prediction before the next pullback. Before the next major pullback on Eli Lilly, my prediction is Eli Lilly goes to 1,000. TSCM, Tower Semiconductors, super bullish candle, nice candle after this consolidation. The 38.80 is the support, long continuation, and next resistance are the 41.71 and 43.28. By the way, 1 second. Let's check here. Nothing much. Bitcoin continues to downside. You know, we talked about this double top scenario. We've been talking about this in the past few days, and here we go. Downside towards 62,560 and then 56. Ethereum also grinding down. Nothing much. Just for now on the short term, Ethereum, Bitcoin. Let's check Luna, breaking back to the downside. Cardano, back to the downside. BNB, holding nice. BNB is holding nice. You have this uptrend. BNB, holding nice. Dodge, breaking down. Link, breaking down. Look at Link. Below this area, the 1275, you will see 1050 and then 820. Sand breaking down. Shiba Inu breaking down. XRP breaking down. Holding. This one is holding. The 0.56 is a very important support. Below it, here. Solana. Now at the neckline of this double top scenario. Look at this double top over here. Now at the neckline, all this area, look left, trade right. What do you see? All this green line, the 127 area, very important area of support. Breaking down and under, Look left, where Solana will be heading next. Over here, and over here. This is how we trade. This is how we analyze. If you want to do it by yourself, if you want to learn how to do it on anything that you want to trade, basically anything that you want to trade, just learn how to look left, read candles, identify support, resistance, and risk management. That's it. If you want, I can teach you this. One-on-one live mentorship program. I can teach you this. 4 lessons, each lessons between 90 to 100 minutes. Private lessons on Zoom, you and me, live. And it doesn't end in the end of the 4th lesson. It just begins, because I give you lifetime access to all Discord channels and support, guidance from me and the FTI in your chart. So check the links in the description. Choose the one-on-one live mentorship or the same program pre-recorded, the online program. Just choose your financial freedom with FibonacciTraders.com. Choose your financial freedom with me. It's a long road. Can be a very difficult road. I can help you shorten the learning curve. I can make you a profitable trader if you will just let me do it. Okay, so we talked about TSEM. Shopify we did not talk about. We talked about on the day trading, but for now, this yellow zone from resistance now, once again, needs to act as support. Bearish on the daily. We got ourselves the sell signal on the daily. Now let's see if this one can hold below it. 62.30 and 61 to the downside. So what else? What else? 2-2. Take 2. Nice uptrend. Now pull back towards where? 155 is next. Below it, 152. If you're already long on this name, this long should have been ended and closed way back. Once it broke below the 160, this long should have been ended. If you're not long yet, I would wait for a weekly close above the 161. Aviv, hey Tamir, I asked you about net when it was at 68. I think the trend now seems more interesting. Tell me, what do you think? I started a binge on your channel and I joined your analysis. Thank you very much, Aviv. Thank you very much for your kind words. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for... I do appreciate each and every one of you. It's not... I don't take it lightly. NET now. Look at this. Broke above a downtrend channel. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Let's check the weekly. Nice. In my opinion, we can start taking long position on this name with stop just over here, the 73.90. Long continuation above the 78.50, and this gap over here at the 85 will get filled. Looking very, very good. For long continuation, net, Cloudflare Inc. Aviv, this is for you. Avi, hi, good afternoon. DUOL, Duolingo, looking good. Above 213 and 239 gap will get filled. Overall, bullish on the daily, bearish on the weekly, because we are still under lower highs, but overall we can start taking long position as long as we're above the 200. NVMI, let's check NVMI. Nova. What do we see here? Super nice uptrend, right? We have Fibonacci support resistance, we have Fibonacci trend lines, we have multi-time frames, bullish on all time frames, buy signal, green line, and VMI looking good for long continuation, 255 and 271 are next. Let's check once again what's going on here. This is AMD breaking to the downside. We are still short. I want to see this gap getting filled. Look at Apple. This double bottom, double top scenario. Super interesting. Breaking below the 211. Apple goes to the downside. Let's see Apple on the daily. Apple on the daily. You know this red line? Of course you do, because you watch every day my stock market recap. So you know this red line. Once again, 5 days already. A high of the day, all the way to the trend line. Now the 213 is the support. Below it, 207. Never say never. What's going on Nvidia on the daily? Nvidia on the daily still grinding up each and every day. New all-time highs. Netflix, the most underrated stock out there, every day grinding up. Looks like bulls of Netflix are getting tired. Pull back to the 660 will not be surprising. Long continuation, and we'll see 701 and 724. What else do we have? SMCI continue breakout continuation. Let's do it 55 days. A little bit higher, 89. Now we are inside the yellow zone. Now this area, the 860 is the support. Long continuation 250 and then 1015 to the upside. You're more than welcome, Avi. Thank you very much. That's it. I think it's a wrap. It's a wrap. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining this live. I do appreciate each and every one of you. Until the next video, until the next live, like, subscribe, check the links in the description below. Join me today and I promise you I will do all the best to help you become profitable trader. Ladies and gentlemen, until the next live, until the next video, stay safe.